Name is Cindy Putri Lestari with the NPM 224111013 from the 20 Rep Management Study Program. Here I will present material text collection, objections and appeals, collection expiry, steps in submitting an application, team period for submitting an application. Tax collection refers to the process by which tax authorities collect taxes owed by taxpayers who may not have fully paid their taxes within the required period. This process includes both voluntary payments and enforced collection, where the government takes action to obtain the owed taxes. Manual objections and appeals are legal avenues available to taxpayers who disagree with the tax assessment issued by the tax authority, allowing them to dispute the calculation or amount determined, expiry of collection, or statute of limitations on collection. The significant period after which tax authorities lost the legal right to pursue unpaid taxes. The function of tax collection is to ensure the government receives the revenue required to fund public services and infrastructure. It reinforces tax compliance and discourages tax evasion by establishing a system for tracking and collecting unpaid taxes. Objections and appeals serve to protect taxpayer rights, providing a fair process for disputing potential inaccuracies in tax assessments. The statute of limitations on collection provides legal certainty for taxpayers, ensuring they are not indefinitely liable for unpaid taxes. These elements together create a balanced tax system that enforces compliance while protecting taxpayer rights. Effective tax collection processes benefit both taxpayers and the government. For the government, it ensures consistent revenue to fund essential services and minimizes losses from unpaid taxes. For taxpayers, the availability of objections and appeals offers a mechanism to correct errors in assessments, which strengthens trust in the tax system. With the expiration period on collection protects taxpayers from perpetual liability and brings closure to financial matters after a specific time frame. Additionally, our definite collection process encourages voluntary compliance, reduces disputes, and enhances overall taxpayer morale. Several factors influence tax collection, objections, and appeals, including the clarity of tax regulations, taxpayer awareness, administrative efficiency, and economic conditions. Clear regulations help taxpayers understand their obligations and the process for objections or appeals. The administrative efficiency is essential for timely processing of payments, objections, and appeals, while economic conditions can impact taxpayers' ability to fulfill tax obligations. Transparency and access of access to information on taxpayer rights and responsibilities also play a key role in facilitating compliance and fair resolution of disputes. To file an objection, a taxpayer must first gather the relevant documents, such as the tax assessment notice, financial records, and supporting evidence. The next step is to submit a formal objection letter, which typically includes a detailed explanation of the points disputed and a request for assessment. This letter is submitted to the tax office within the legally stipulated time frame, which may vary by jurisdiction. Generally, the time frame for filing an objection is 3 megabit intahas from the date of the tax assessment notice. It is crucial for taxpayers to meet this deadline to ensure their objection is considered valid. Tax collection, coupled with regards to objection and appeal, forms the backbone of a balanced tax system. While collection ensures funding for public services, the option for objections and appeals provides taxpayers with a fair avenue to dispute assessments they believe to be incorrect. The statute of limitations on collection protects taxpayers from indefinite liability, and the well-structured process for filing objections empowers taxpayers to engage actively in the resolution of disputes. Together, these elements foster a transparent and equitable tax administration, promoting compliance while respecting taxpayer rights.